Welcome back to my channel, nail crew. I love you guys so much. Thanks for clicking on my video. Today we're going to do a pass or trash featuring Makartt's Jelly Gel Polish and their lamp. If you want to see how this is going to turn out, stay tuned. I know you guys have seen this on my Instagram because I posted a picture of it a few days ago. I could not help myself. The box came in and it was so stinky cute. Oh my gosh. And this is the lamp. I have it in the color pink. It is a 36 watt lamp. Let me show you guys the box here on the side. So it's a low heat mode, so you don't have a lot of pain or burning with curing. Let's see what it has on the side here. Non-harmful, non-blackening, and it is a UV and LED lamp. Let's go ahead and pop it open. I love when they wrap things like this. Like when the company takes time to wrap their product, you know that it's some good stuff. Like don't just slap it in the box, right? All right. Also, I love that this lamp separates from the base. That's actually very perfect for pedicure, so that way you don't have to put someone's feet on the bottom of your lamp. This lamp also comes with 3 lights on the side. That is to make sure that your thumb polish is cured all the way through. And then look, it just snaps right back into place. There's magnets and it attracts to base to the top and boom, right in place. There is a 60-second cure feature and a 30-second cure feature, and then also that on-off switch. I'm going to go ahead and plug this up and let's see if it works, right? Who cares how pretty it is if it doesn't work? So let me go ahead and pop that plug in the back. Look, it lights up. Okay, cool. All right, great. Perfect. So far, so good. It works. I like that. And the buttons are easy to press. Great. Let me see if there's a sensor. Perfect. I love a lamp with a sensor. Thumbs up. All right, great. Now let's go ahead and look at the jelly polish. The polish is the star of the show. The lamp is cute and I like it. I'm definitely going to use it, but boom, baby. Let's get into this jelly polish. Oh my gosh. First of all, I really love how they package this. Like, they made it seem like it's some good quality stuff here. So let's just dive on in. The first one I'm going to try is this crystal green. Here's a little shot of the ingredients for you. Some people like that. Boom. All right, so this is what it looks. It kind of looks like a glow in the dark type thing. Now, I know this is not glow, but it just gives me like that glow in the dark type vibe. So I have my little clear little nail here, and I'm using my pinching tool to hold it so I don't get polish on my finger. If you're wondering what the heck is that and what is she doing, that's why. But look, it is super cute. Let's put her in the little oven and dry her off. Actually, I'm going to take the bottom piece off. Let's just do that because I don't want to get polish on my base. So let's just do it like this. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to cure my first layers of all the polishes today for 30 seconds. Go ahead and put the second layer on and then cure that second layer for 60 seconds. Okay. So let's go ahead and apply the second layer. I love it so far. Booyah. That looks so stinking cute. All right. Second layer. Pop her in the oven. 60 seconds. Let that cure. And she is all dry. There is a sticky inhibition layer, ladies, so just be mindful of that. I am not going to put any top coat on it. I just want to see what it looks like. The second one is crystal orange. Give her a little roll and look. See, this one looks kind of like neon glow in the dark vibe as well. I love it. Let's go ahead and apply it to the nail. It's really cool. You know what this polish feels like? It's very thick. It is very thick. I was expecting the consistency of a regular polish, like a regular gel polish, but it's very thick. I don't know what else to say, but it's thick. It's thicker than any polish I have ever tried. So you definitely could get away with 1 coat of this thing, but I'm going to go ahead and put 2 just to see if you can still see through it. I like it. There's no like weird funky smell either, guys. You know I'm a smeller. I sniff everything. It just smells like their regular polish. Boom. That is so cute. I love it. The next one is Crystal Rose Red. Now when I open it, it doesn't look red, it looks pink. It's more of like a neon type pink. Go ahead and put that on the nail as well. Now this one is a lot more opaque than the other ones. It is definitely still a jelly polish, but I feel like if I put 2 coats of this pink, you won't see through it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the oven and see what it looks like when it dries. Look at her baking in the oven. All right, this is what it looks like after 30-second cure. And I'm not going to double coat that one. That one I think I'm going to leave as is. And we're going to move on to Crystal Violet. She is gorgeous. She's cute. Hey, you. Hey, Crystal Violet. Go ahead and put her on the nail. I like this one. This one might be one of my favorites, guys. Go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Yeah, so far I think she might be my favorite. Go ahead and let's double coat this one because she wasn't as opaque as that pink. So far I double coated the yellow, the orange, and the purple. That pink one has been the only one so far that I've only put 1 coat on. Gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds and boom, she is so cute. I really, really like that purple. Moving on to Crystal Sky Blue. Now, the color on the outside does not match the color on the inside. So let's just go ahead and see what it looks like when I swatch it on the nail. So I'm a little bit out of frame, but you can still definitely see the color. It is gorgeous. And you can look right through that nail and see the other nails. Like, that is how dope this polish is. Like, that's how jelly it is. Like, you can see straight through it. I stinking love it. Now, I said the purple was my favorite, but I think I lied, because I think this one might be my favorite now. Sorry, guys. This is so cute. And this will actually match the nails that I'm wearing now. So I might put this on my nails. I really like that. Look how I'm like showing the other nails through that one. All right, so the next one I'm going to do is Crystal Dark Blue. So that blue one there is sky blue, and I'm about to show you guys now the dark blue. Let's see the difference. Okay, so when I open the bottle, it is definitely a nice dark blue. Let's go ahead and pop that on the nail. Let me tell you, like, this is super thick. Like, you really have to brush and brush and brush it in. It is some of the most thickest polish I've ever tried. I love this color. This might also be like that pink and just get 1 coat, because otherwise I don't think you'd be able to see through it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this as 1 coat because it's like perfect jelly consistency. And you know what? Maybe the polish is so thick because the intention is for it to be a 1 coat coverage. And so that's why it's so thick. And if so, thumbs up, Makartt. I really, really like this collection. All the colors are gorgeous. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the dark blue on my nail. At first, I was going to do that light blue, but then I saw the dark blue and I'm like, wait a minute, this dark blue matches a little bit better with my glitter. So let's just go in with the dark blue. I love them all though. And actually either blue would have matched. Yeah, but yeah, that dark blue and this glitter that I'm wearing, I think it just goes perfectly. All the colors were absolutely gorgeous. This collection is definitely a thumbs up. The lamp cured the nails perfectly. A thumbs up there. I love the lamp. I love this jelly polish set. Now, if you guys did not catch my video, I made some jelly polish a while back. I will leave a link in the description box below for all you DIYers that want to make your own jelly polish. But if you're not a DIY type of girl and you're not a let me see what I can do on my own, then this would be a very cool jelly polish kit. I love it so much. The consistency is awesome. The jelliness it's awesome. You can see straight through the nails and I really like it. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds and then I'm going to put on my Makartt top coat. This top coat did not come in with this kit. I had this Makartt top coat for a very long time, and I've said this plenty times before. This is one of my favorite top coats. It always has been. I really, really enjoy it. So I'm just going to go ahead and, in the true spirit of trying out Makartt today, I'm just going to go ahead and use their top coat, and I'm going to put a nice layer on all my nails. Just give it that extra shine and pop. Now I'm going to let these nails dry for a full 60 seconds, and then I'm going to take them on the road. I love them. They are gorgeous, and they deserve to go for a spin. So here we go. All right, nail crew, so that is it. I hope you really enjoyed that video. Right now, I'm on the way to the gym. I loved those jelly polishes. They were dope. They were dope. That's all I could say. Super pigmented, which was weird because for a jelly polish, you would think that they would be kind of like thin. Like, I thought the consistency was going to be kind of like, I don't know, like regular polish because they were jelly, but they were super thick. They were actually thicker than regular gel polish, which was weird. Like, I was not prepared for that, but yeah. All right, now before I go, I have to give you guys that classic fingernail hand on the steering wheel, because if you're not using the nail fee diamond, then you have to have your nails on the steering wheel. That's just like the classic IG pose, right? So let me go ahead and give you guys that. Just grab the steering wheel. I really like how the jelly polish blue matched with the blue glitter that I used from Young Nails. I thought that was a very cute combination. Here is my other hand. I really like this set, guys, because it's so simple, but also so cute, right? Comment and subscribe. I'm on the way to the gym to get all fine and stuff for the summer. See you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching to the end, guys. Here are 2 more videos because I know you need something to do. So here are 2 videos for you. Yeah.